Hey, good morning, friends. I'm MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa. Welcome to the MLive Morning Weather Update. And we're going to have some fun. We're going to look out long-term, couple of weeks, actually. I got something lined up for you. We're going to look out 45 days, which will take us into the middle of April. And the big question now, is snow done? I would say snowstorms are done. I would say flakes are probably not done, but let's get into it. And of course, we know we got some showers. Even we had some thunderstorms this morning. Those appear to be weakening now. And we're just looking at showers, eastern half of the state. Still in the Grand Rapids area, and some showers heading toward Kalamazoo in the next hour or two. You'll be done with the showers on the west side of the state by noon, and on the east side, it'll take a few hours into the afternoon. So this is the current radar, and then this is the radar forecast. So let's take it to noon, and you can see the showers breaking up. A very spring-like type situation where, you know, the sun gets up above the clouds, starts to evaporate them, and weakens the showers. Hey, good morning, Ed Pivos, fellow MLiver. Thanks for joining me on the MLive Morning Weather Update. This is MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa. We are going to look out a long look out into the end of March and into April. So by 5 o'clock this evening, the showers will be done, other than maybe a spritzel in the Detroit and Ann Arbor areas. Look at what a day like today brings as far as temperatures go. Take the coat, and hey, we get a report from Ed Pivos. Thunder and heavy rain in Novi just ending a short time ago. Thank you very much. And good morning, Jerry Williams from Howell and Pam Jones from Jackson. John Kuhn, thanks for watching. So this morning, Ann Arbor, Detroit area can pop up into the low 60s. You got upper 50s in Flint and Lansing, and then you got low 50s Grand Rapids, and then you got this break line to a northeast wind and temperatures in the 40s in the northern half, lower 30s in UP. Remember, 40s are still warmer than normal. So now, bigger picture. For the next 10 days, what do we have going with storm systems? Our rain moves through and leaves us with a dry easterly wind on Wednesday and Thursday, so that'll be a little bit cooler on the eastern side of the state. Debbie Porter, thunderstorms in Detroit area right now. Yes, nothing severe in this, just some thunder and lightning. Now this is Friday, dry. And then this is Friday night and Saturday. Showers move through. And you see the blue lines? That's colder air. Now there's a storm getting its act together just to our south and east. It looks like it slides to our south and east. But we'll have to watch it because the trend has been inching back to the northwest and the cold air kind of coming in. So could there be a few hours of wet snow on the back side of it Saturday night? Possibly. And Sunday actually looks like a winter day. That's a north wind and some snow showers around. But just like all cold outbreaks in the last 6 weeks, it's a one-dayer. And already by next Tuesday and Wednesday, the warmth is starting to build. You can see the cold pocket up north is there, but not coming down, and it's weakening. And we're out at March 15th at this point, and it looks like a new warming trend would be about ready to develop. A little closer look, here's our showers through. Then this is tomorrow, dry but a northeast wind, so take the coat. Remember, Lake Huron still has water temperatures only in the 30s. Jerry Williams, this must be a record for the least amount of snow. Getting pretty close if we don't have much snow in March. I don't know about a record, but most places are running about 50 to 70% of the normal snowfall. Morning, Cindy Blaine from Milan. This is Thursday, dry, and Friday. Not a bad day. Starting to get to a southeast wind, so a little warmer on Friday. Then here comes the rain Friday night. Saturday, some showers, and then here comes that colder air. So Sunday is our one winter day in the next 10 days, something like that right there. Yeah, might put an inch or so on the grass in the thumb overnight Sunday night. And then we go back to a southwest wind and back to warmer temperatures. So, highs today, I showed you. Far southeast, still 20, 25 degrees warmer than normal after a high yesterday of 75 in Detroit. And then you get to the north and it's in the 40s. Now tomorrow is cooler. In the 40s, a lot of places, 30s along the Lake Huron shoreline because of that northeast wind. Thursday, 50 inland, 40s near the eastern shores. Friday, a little warmer, heading to the mid-50s, southern half of the state, so feeling very springy on Friday. Saturday, showers around, hold the temperatures in the 40s. Sunday, whoa, a winter day. But gone already by Monday, back to the mid-40s. Tuesday, maybe heading to 60. Wednesday, maybe in the 60s in places. And Thursday, in the 60s with 70s building back to the southwest. So there is no flip-flop anywhere in sight. Now we're going to look out into the future. So you're looking at the surface temperature anomaly. Next 16 days. Red obviously means warmer than normal surface temperatures. The blue, green, and purple would mean colder than normal. We're into Friday. We're into Saturday. I showed you that Sunday might be just about normal or slightly colder than normal for one day. And then we see that cold pocket moving in the southeast U.S. We're into next Monday. Next Tuesday and Wednesday, we go to 10 degrees, 20 degrees warmer than normal. Normal at that point in the southern part of the state would be about 42, 43. So you go 10 or 20 degrees warmer and you're in the 50s and 60s. This is next Thursday, March 14th. Warmth taking over. This is Sunday, March 17th. And as we get toward about the 18th, 19th, 20th, everything is indicating maybe a touch of a cool down. Something like this on March 20th would be, 5 degrees colder than normal, and the normal high at that point would be 45 to 50. So you're still in the 40s, although if you get a lakeshore breeze, you get temperatures in the 30s. All right, now, hey, good morning, John Robert Williams. Now we look 46 days out. Same thing, surface temperature anomaly. So we're going to look into April. And remember, I showed you a cool down about the last 10 days of March. So this is March 22nd on the same model, March 25th, indicating slightly cooler than normal air. Probably would be very warranted for the fruit growers. This right here would be about 5 degrees colder than normal. Last days of March, March 29th, March 30th, 31st, April 2nd. Get to April 6th or 7th. Now we're April 10th. We end it 46 days out, April 14th. Cold pocket working off, and we're about normal. And at that time, your average high is probably in the mid-50s in the southern half of the state. So this would be a real hard thing to find a snow unless it does it this weekend, Saturday night, Sunday, somewhere in there. But otherwise, there's just really no extreme cold air in sight that would last longer than a day. Sunday looks like our only winter day in the next 10, and it does not look like a pattern flip-flop. So I'm going to say snowstorms are done, although I do want to keep that caveat for this weekend. Just watching that thing. These can be sneaky as they move up the East Coast. If they slide back to the west, they can get the thumb. They can get southeast lower with some snow. So we'll watch that. But after that, it really doesn't look like any big cold plunge that would sustain a snowstorm. Hey, don't put your snowblower away just yet if you don't want snow, because you know it'll happen then. Thanks for joining me. I'm MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa. Have yourselves a great Tuesday. Bye.